Okay, making a pattern with 3 pieces of fruit. We've got 3 pictures here. We're going to create a new square canvas. And then we're going to copy each one of these. And paste them into our picture here. Copy. And paste. And copy. And paste. Alright, we got 3 pictures, 3 separate sizes. Let's make them a little bit more equal to general size. And of course, what we want to do is trace each one of these in order to have something to work with. We're going to start with a new layer, and let's just go from left to right. I am using the Studio Pen from the inking library. We will dim down each of these layers, put them somewhere around 50%, and then we will go ahead and trace them. It's at this point that you can make any changes to your tracing that you want. If you can't get your curve right, just hold it there, and it will allow you to make a curve just the way you want it. And of course, lemons have a texture. Now, you'd want to put the pictures on the same layer, but if you do that, you can't arrange them. So, I am now going to get rid of this layer and create a new layer. And you can see we got my lemon there. Tap with your finger while you're holding with the brush. You make a perfect circle that you can resize any way you want. The important thing when doing a pattern like this is to have your line weight approximately the same for each picture. That way it looks more cohesive. Let's make that a little bit bigger and make sure the two edges are connected. There we go. Okay, so you may want to put these pictures all on one layer, but that's going to make it more difficult to arrange them. So I like to leave them on separate layers, and I like to keep the originals intact in case I need them later. So if you swipe right on each layer, you can group them together, and then you can duplicate that group, turn the original off, and now we can take these and move them around any way we like. Okay. And I'm going to take the magnetics and snapping off on this right now, just so I have a nice, smooth, easy way of going. And then I'm going to duplicate this group. And that way, we can place even more on our canvas. There we go. And you can make a pattern this way. If you look at my tutorial on how to make an infinite pattern, then you'll be able to see how to turn this into an infinite pattern. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.